There's two 12 nuts. You can just put your hand underneath, get them from underneath. All right, we got a 01 Tacoma 2.4. We're gonna do spark plugs and the little boots that go on the coil. I already took this off. It goes like this. 10 millimeter here. The tube that goes here is two 10s. I took the tube off underneath of this. There's two 12 nuts up there. Go here. You can just put your hand underneath, get them from underneath. Pull that off. I already have one spark plug loose. I'm gonna get the rest of these coils out and change all the spark plugs. Hopefully soon they'll be back and we're gonna put the valve cover because you can see it's pretty bad. These you should be able to just push the tab, but when they get old, sometimes you gotta help them a little bit. We're gonna put these new also. So I did recommend the valve cover because these do have oil, as you can see, but we were also doing a bunch of other stuff, so they're gonna bring it back and we'll put the valve cover on.
To the stage with a drink like I'm giving young, but I never came here to sing what I'm really young. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these people times, people asking me what we've been on. I know that it's bomb, we just wishing.
All right, so got the plugs in, put the new boot, we'll fire it up, should be good to go.